In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to proofread your academic papers in Microsoft Word using built-in tools. Before you submit an essay or report, Word can help you catch errors, improve clarity, and present a polished document. Start with the spelling and grammar check, also called Microsoft Editor. As you type, Word marks spelling mistakes with a red wavy underline and grammar or style issues with a blue double underline. To review everything in one place, open the editor pane from the Home or Review tab. A quick shortcut is F7, or you can use the keyboard path Alt, Review, then E in the pane. Work through categories like spelling, grammar, clarity, conciseness, and formality. Read each suggestion, decide whether it fits your intent, and apply changes one at a time rather than accepting them all blindly. When you want stronger vocabulary, right-click a word and choose synonyms to open the built-in thesaurus. Pick alternatives that fit the tone of academic writing and the meaning you want. If a synonym changes your sentence slightly, reread the sentence to make sure it still says exactly what you mean. Next, check your word count and readability. On the Review tab, select word count to see pages, words, characters, and more, useful for meeting assignment limits. For additional insight, go to File, Options, Proofing, and enable Readability Statistics. After running the editor, Word can display scores like the Flesch Kincaid grade level so you can gauge whether the text suits your audience. Treat these scores as guidance, not a grade. Use Read Aloud to hear your writing. Under the View tab, open Immersive Reader Tools and select Read Aloud. Listening helps you catch awkward phrasing, repeated words, missing articles, and punctuation problems you might skim past. Adjust the voice and speed to stay focused, and pause to fix issues as you hear them. For collaboration, turn on track changes in the Review tab and invite feedback with comments. Reviewers can suggest edits without altering your original text, and you can accept or reject each change and reply to comments as you resolve them. Finally, run check accessibility from the Review tab. Word will flag issues such as low color contrast or missing descriptions on images, helping you create a document that is inclusive and easy to read. For best results, combine these tools with good habits. Take a break before the final pass, proofread in small sections, and, for a meticulous check, read the document backwards line by line. With this workflow, you'll submit cleaner, clearer writing every time.